Hello friends, today again we are learning 6th standard maths understanding elementary shapes. In previous class what we seen right angle, straight angle, and complete angle. In previous class we seen right angle, straight angle, complete angle. You know that right angle means 90 degree, straight angle means 180 degree, and complete angle means 360 degree. Now we will see some more. We will see one acute angle. Afterwards we will see obtuse angle. Now acute angle is 0 degree to 90 degree between. It is acute angle. And obtuse angle is 90 degree to 180 degree between. And next we are seeing reflex angle. And this is 180 degree to 360 degree. Already we seen right angle, straight angle, complete angle. Right angle 90 degree, straight angle 180 degree, complete angle 360 degree. Now we are seeing acute angle. Now what is acute angle? Acute angle means a angle which measure between 0 to 90 degree. Which measure between 0 to 90 degree. Between. That is called acute angle. And obtuse angle means what? An angle which measure between 90 degree to 180 degree. Between 90 degree to 180 degree between. That type of angles are called the obtuse angle. And reflex angle is angle which between 180 degree to 360 degree between. That is called reflex angle. Also we see in clock. We seen the turns, quarter turn, half turn, full turn, rotation, revolution which we seen. Suppose if I ask you about a question, this you understand? Once again, right angle 90 degree, straight angle 180 degree which shows the straight, complete angle 360 degree. You know that right angle symbol will look like here, straight angle is a straight, complete angle is full circle, and acute angle it is 0 to 90 degree between. Means the symbol is less than here it will look. The angle that is look like a less than here, that is acute angle. And obtuse angle which look more than here. A figure which look more than here means L से बड़ा दिखेगा फिगर. स्लाइड जैसा दिखेगा. ये बोले तो एक्यूरेट एल के जैसा, और ये एल से छोटा दिखेगा फिगर और ये एल से बड़ा दिखेगा. एंड reflex angle means a angle which is from the outside. Reflex angle is 180 degree to 360 degree between. So if you see inside it became an acute angle. So how to indicate reflex angle? The reflex angle indicate from the outside. Any angle which is from the outside, symbol in this type of symbol they will show from the outside, that is called the reflex angle. Means this angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Here also this you can show a reflex angle. If I draw this angle, this outside angle, from inside it is obtuse, but we are asking about the reflex angle. So reflex will be shown from the outside, which is more than here, which is here in this way. We have to see from the outside, not from the inside. If you see inside, so it is not a reflex angle. Reflex angle will come from the outside. Reflex angle will come from the outside. Here also you can show a reflex angle to this. If you show from the inside, it became a what? Right angle. From inside it is a right angle. From outside, if you put this arrow to this, in this way, it became a reflex angle. Okay? Now next, if you see a clock, in clock already you know there are 12 numbers. Please pay attention. If you start from 12 and calculation revolution to the 12, it means you cross 360 degree. So in 360 degree, how many numbers are there? 12 numbers. So 360 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 threes are 0 and it means between any two numbers, how many degrees are there? There are 30 degrees. Between any two numbers, if you see, how many degrees are there? 30 degrees. It is easy calculation. If you cross 12 to 1, if you come from a one hand is on 12 and one hand is on 1. So how many degrees are here? 30 degrees. How you get 30 degree? Means this is a full circle, that is 360 degree. In this 12 numbers are there, 360 divided by 12, so 30 degree. So each between two numbers 30 degrees is there. If you cross from 12 to 1, it means you cross 30 degrees. If you cross 12 to 2, it means you cross how many degree? 60 degree. 30 degree plus 30 degree. 60 degree. Now which angle it is? Acute angle. Which angle it is? Acute angle. From inside it is the acute. Outside up. Reflex angle. If you cross 12 to 3, you will come from 12 to 3. So how many degrees now here? 90 degree right angle. How 90 degree? 30 plus 30 plus 30. 3 numbers you cross, it means 90 degree. 1 number means 30 degree. Again it is a right angle. In this way, you can calculate the degrees in a clock. In a clock. If I ask you, when you cross from 3 to 9, if you cross from 3 to 9, which angle it is? If you see the line is straight, so it is a straight angle. How many degree you cross? 180 degree you cross. Or also you can say off revolution of a clock or off revolution of the circle. So in this way, you can find the degree in the given clock. With the help of the clock, you can find the degree. And with this, you can find a degree between 1 to 12 to 1. In this between, you know that the 30 degrees are there. So here we will see a small 5 numbers. Small 5 lines between two numbers. Small 5 lines. So each line is what? How many lines are? 5 lines. So each line is how much then? 30 divided by 5, 6. So each line indicates 6 degrees. 6 degrees, 6 degrees, 6 degrees, 6 degrees, 6 degrees. Understand? 12 to 1. Between two numbers, the degree is how much? 30 degree. If I ask you, this one small line, from 12 to the small one line which is indicated for the second in the clock. So, for second in the clock, or you can say minute for the minute hand and second for the second hand. So that each is what? 6 degree. That we will learn in a next class. Now, we will see some triangles. Now, what we will see some triangles. Triangle. Now we will see acute angle triangle. First we will go with the acute angle triangle. Now what is the acute angle triangle? You know triangle? If all the three angles are acute means it is less than 90 degree. This is less than 90, this is less than 90, this is less than 90. So this type of triangles are called acute angle triangle. When all the three angles, now the sum of three angles of a triangle, sum of three angles of a triangle. How much? 180. If you take any triangle, it is acute angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. Now we are learning that after this. You can take any triangle. If you count the angles of the triangle, this angle, this angle, this angle, if you count, add, so you will get 180. So how many degree the triangle is? The triangle is of 180 degrees. The triangle is of 180 degrees. And when all the angles of the triangle are acute angle, means less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree, so that triangle is acute angle triangle. Now second one we are going towards the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle triangle. Now what is this obtuse angle triangle? In the given triangle, one angle is more than 90 degree. Any one angle. So this angle is more than 80 degree. It is obtuse angle. Na? This, as I shown before, it is obtuse angle. So one angle is obtuse. So that type of triangles are obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, what happened? This 3 degrees, if you add these 3 angles 1, 2, 3, again it will become up 180 degree. Compulsory, any triangle, if you add the 3 angles of the sum of 3 angles, sum of the angles of a triangle. How many angles triangle has? The triangle has 3 angles. The triangle has 3 angles. One angle here, one angle is here, one angle is here. So if you add that 180, here also 3 angles, here one angle, here one angle, and here one. If you add that, again it will become 180. It means that a triangle, every triangle is how many degrees? 180 degrees. So out of these 3 angles, one angle is obtuse angle. So that type of triangles are called obtuse angle triangle. That type of triangles are called obtuse angle triangle. Now next we are seeing right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, which one angle is 90 degree. Which one angle is 90 degree. See, here we are seeing the ear shape. So it is a right angle triangle 90 degree. So one angle is 90 degree. It means this type of triangles is right angle triangle. Again the sum of these angles, 3 angles, how much? 180 degree. Sum of this 3 angle is 180 degree. Once again come here. What we see acute angle means all 3 angles are acute. So that type of triangles are acute angle triangle. And obtuse angle triangle, one angle is obtuse. Here is obtuse angle, this is shown. Before only we learned that obtuse angle means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this angle is more than 90 degree because it is looking like a more than real figure. So that type of angles are obtuse angles. So this is obtuse angle triangle when you complete this. And here one angle is 90 degree. It is a right angle triangle. So 3 types of triangles: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Also in this we are seeing equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalar triangle. Now equilateral triangle means all 3 sides are equal. All 3 sides are equal. That type of triangles are called equilateral triangles. When these 3 sides, we learn about the angles. This was acute angle triangle. We are learning about the angles, so that why obtuse angle triangle, and this is what right angle triangle. When we are comparing the angle, so we will talking for the acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle for angles. And when we talk about the side, when we talk about the sides of a triangle, which is the side? Suppose I given name here A, B, C. Here we are giving X, Y, Z, and here we are giving L, M, N. If you see sides, which are the sides? 3 sides triangle. This is side AB, this is side BC, and this is side AC. When these 3 sides are equal, so that is called what? Equilateral triangle, because the sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. When just I am writing the code. Now we seen what angles. Now we will see the triangle. When these 3 sides are equal, so this triangle is called equilateral triangle. Now this triangle is what? Equilateral triangle. Why it is equilateral triangle? Because this side AB, side BC, and side AC, 3 are equal. So that type of triangles, when the sides are equal, that type of triangles are equilateral. when two sides are equal. If you see here, x and y and x and z, these two are equal. These two are equal and this is different. When any two sides are equal of a triangle, that is called scalene triangle. That triangles are called scalene triangle. When any two sides are equal of a given triangle, sides I am talking about, like here we have three sides x, y, y, z and x, z. Here x, y and x, z is equal. So that's why this is, isosceles triangle. This is not a scalene triangle. Sorry dear, this is isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. When two sides are equal, so that type, before I said that is a scalene triangle, it's not a scalene triangle. When two sides are equal of a triangle, that triangles are isosceles triangle. That triangles are isosceles triangles. Once again repeating, because what I said before, that was scalene, it is not a scalene, it is isosceles triangle. Please pay here. X, y and x, z, these two sides are equal. When any triangle, two sides are equal, so that triangle is isosceles triangle, and any one side is different, that is called isosceles triangle. Now third one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the three sides of a triangle are different. I have shown here is different here, one line I shown here, two lines shown here, three lines shown. It means that these three are different. Three sides are different. Again I am taking L, M, N. So when the three sides of a triangle are different, no one is matching to each other, no one is equal to each other. So that type of triangles are called scalene triangle. That type of triangles are called scalene triangle. That type of triangles are called scalene triangle. So, what we learn? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Before what we learn? Before we learn acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Also we learn the angles. Which angles? Reflex angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and complete angles. So today this is the part 2 we can consider. The previous lecture was the part 1 and this was the part 2 we will consider. One more part is there that we will see in the next period. Thank you.